Hi friends, if you've been looking for a way to earn money online and learn the skills that you need to create multiple income streams online, you need to listen to me because I have found the most amazing program that I've been following, their step-by-step blueprint that has made such a massive change and difference in my life and the lives of some of my loved ones who are doing the same program, as well as people I haven't even met yet. And that could be you as well. Guys, this program that I'm following has been teaching me the skills that I need at almost 55 years old to launch into a whole new career. My background was in tourism and hospitality. And then when I moved to the East Coast here in Nova Scotia from BC, I decided to turn my direct sales business into a full-time business. That was in 2010. So that will be 15 years in July that I've been doing this direct sales business full-time. I've been with the company 23 years. And you guys, if you are familiar with direct sales or if you've been in direct sales, you know the industry is changing. It's changing. And I saw the writing on the wall. And thank God I did. Thank goodness that I made the pivot when I did, that I did the research and that I looked for a program and a way for me to make more money, put in less time because I was working 12 to 14 hours a day, get my time back, make more money, be my own boss, work from home. I found this program. And this program in the e-learning industry is a digital product itself. And it's a master resell right program, which means that you can resell the same course that's teaching you the skills that you need to make money online. You can resell the course at 100% profit. It's amazing. You know, when I started getting my business going in the direct sales, I paid over $3,000 to have my website done. And that was the second time I had that done. And I rebranded myself a few years back. And that's US funds. I'm in Canada. So as we know, that's a lot of money. I pay $300 every year to the webmaster who maintains my website for the plugins, the updates, security, all the things, right? The direct sales company, you know, it's $16 a month just to use the online store a month. Those are just some of the costs that I can think of at the top of my head. And this is a one-time fee for your program, a one-time fee for your business in a box, done for you website, funnels, automations, you name it, and no monthly costs. I get so excited about this. This is so amazing. I would love for you to just type yes in the comments if you would like to get the blueprint that I'm following for free. I will send that to you and you can take a look at this yourself and see if it's a fit for you. You have nothing to lose, and believe me, you have everything to gain.